Today in this video, we have covered Brother He1 embroidery machine overview. The Brother He1 is a compact entry-level embroidery machine ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its ease of use, compact design, and built-in features make it perfect for simple, custom embroidery projects on items like clothes, accessories, and home decor. Key features and descriptions. Number 1, 4x4 inches embroidery area. The HE1 offers a 4x4 inch embroidery area, which is perfect for small projects, including patches, monograms, and personalized designs on accessories or home items. This compact size is beginner-friendly and fits well in any workspace. Number 270, built-in designs and 5 fonts. With 70 built-in designs and 5 fonts, the HE1 provides a range of creative options. Users can easily start projects right out of the box, experimenting with floral, seasonal, and geometric patterns. Number 3, backlit LCD display. The backlit LCD screen allows users to preview and select designs, with basic editing options like rotation and mirroring. This user-friendly screen makes it easy to customize and adjust designs with minimal effort. Number 4, USB port for custom designs. The HE1's USB port enables users to import additional designs, making it flexible for those looking to expand their creative possibilities beyond the built-in patterns. Number 5, automatic needle threading. Automatic needle threading simplifies the setup process, saving time and making it ideal for beginners. This feature reduces common frustrations associated with threading. Number 6, compact and lightweight design. The HE1's compact design makes it easy to store and move, perfect for small spaces or mobile use. It's an ideal choice for hobbyists without a dedicated sewing area. Pricing the Brother He1 embroidery machine is priced affordably, generally ranging between $300 and $400, making it a budget-friendly option for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore embroidery with an easy-to-use, portable machine. If you want custom, professional quality embroidery designs, Digitizing.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery digitizing and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file that stitches out beautifully on machines. Whether you need logo digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, or detailed custom designs, they offer fast turnaround and high-quality service. Digitizing.com makes it easy for you to create unique, high-quality embroidery for personal projects or small business orders.